Video, I'm going to show you how to blur a thing on a video using Davinci Resolve. So I downloaded a video from pexels.com. So we're going to use this video. It's going to be a video of a car moving and we want to blur the license plate. So let's drag that into our editor and I'm going to move forward to where the license plate is no longer visible. So it's going to be here. And so we're going to have this entire footage where we want to blur out the license plate. Cool. So let's click here. We're going to click on the first clip. So again, I used Apple B, but you can also press this split clips button to actually make the clip smaller. And now we're going to go to color and we're going to go to the window here and we're going to select a shape that kind of matches the license plate. So I'm going to select I think a rectangle could work, but you can also sketch out like a very manual way what the license plate is. So I'm just going to do that. And then you're going to click here, make sure this is cloud tracking, and we're going to press play. Cool. So that was automatic. It kind of sketched out exactly, by the color gradients and, kind of color distribution where this box moved from. And so it looks like tracking is working. And so we can jump straight to blur and we can kind of just increase the blur by upping the RGB value. And yeah, if we go back to the beginning of the video now, back to here, we can now click play and you can see it's blurring the entire thing. Looks like there was a little part, you can still see the last digit. So let's go back in here and we're going to edit the box to be a little bigger. So if we go back to the tracker, we can actually adjust this to be a little bigger. All right. And so we can now press play again. And then if we're going back to the footage, now you can see that the entire thing is blurred, which is great. So that's how you blur something that's moving. Hope you learned something.